Okay, today is November 23rd, 2025. And me and my family are currently in Des Moines, Iowa right now. We're staying in a hotel tonight here in Des Moines, and I thought I'd get a quick video of these two units which are at our hotel. So yeah, here's a Ruud unit. Currently not running. This is a 4-ton from 2023. And I'm not sure what kind of compressor it has. Yeah, I'm not sure what kind of compressor it has. Almost looks like it has a rotary compressor, or maybe it's a inverter compressor. Not exactly sure. And then here's this York unit here. There's the for that. But yeah. This one has sweat blades. But yeah, these both have a bunch of leaves on them, so probably assume they haven't been running. But yeah, just trying to get a quick video. These two units. Anyways, thanks for watching.